Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday. It's Cars and Coffee, Mountaineer Coffee in Brooksville. Let's head down there and check it out.
Wow, they did make it almost the same.
I like your little.
The exhaust pipe is that's the newest thing.
Little addition.
That when I walked out of the coffee shop because I missed that little step the first time. It'll catch you by surprise.
Back by, by the time
I just go.
All right, everyone, we had a great time over at the Cars and Coffee that Rocky from Dubzuknow put on. Mountaineer Coffee in Brooksville. Nice little quaint little area we chilled at. 6 of us there. It was a pretty decent turnout for a little Sunday morning with an unpredictable weather pattern. Anyway, now we're on to the next thing. We're going ahead and get brunch. So thanks for tuning in with us. Good time. Get out there in those Volkswagen, start cruising them. And we will see you guys on the next go-round. Peace.
We are caffeinated and got to see our friends.
I'm decaffeinated.
It was a good day. See ya.
See you guys. Peace.